Nikifika mbinguni ni furaha tele, nyimbo tamu za ushindi zisikike kote. Manere yobilia byabangite kale bono bya ikeranire byarorekanire masomare emitono yecheze.
Go to sanitize one. Yes, we have a problem. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. My name is Parmenas Ogutu. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to this talk. I'm the CEO of Amazing Grace Studio, and it's by the grace of God that we find ourselves here. But they do not take it for granted that you find yourself alive, just alone like that. Finding yourself alive, it gives you something to thank God for.
Mimi namshukuru Bwana kwa pendo lake alokuwa nalo.
This studio was started in 2014. By deck, it was well established, and we had set ourselves for the studio.
Ni ushindi wako ndio umetufanya sisi tusonge mbele. Ni ushindi wako ndio umetufanya sisi tusonge mbele.
We started a choir, and it only comprises of 5 people. That is me, my wife, one lady, a teacher, and my 2 in-laws, my brother. And then we set ourselves, when we were getting volume 1, that's 2015, there, we came up trying to maneuver around and do whatever it takes to come up with the music, you see, recording. We had only one laptop, one mic, and not this one, and sound card, of course. No monitors, so we used to record and try to mix our things there with the woofer and bring out the music. But we thank God we've come all the way, and all that you see in this studio now is by the grace of God. We offer several things related to music. We do piano training, we do vocal training, we train, like now personally, myself, I'm a professional teacher, a music teacher. I can train you how to sing, to bring out, because we train even schools. So the Amazing Grace is comprises of very many people, and you can see some of them there. Some of them are there. We have talent here. As long as it's gospel or traditional. Normally we don't do any other music other than it's gospel and traditional. Somebody was asking me, why do you do traditional? Traditional, I do it because I also respect my culture. And that's why some of you see me singing with Nyamira boys. That's traditional. So kindly do not crucify me. With the traditional, I love it. Arrangements with the music festivals and like now, this Kenya Music Festivals 2020. Ni corona peke yake imetusumbua. Mungekuwa mmeona vitu tumetoa. So this is the syllabus and these are the music, the pieces, okay? So this is what we do. And the production there, of course, we do production with the videos. We have professionals here who do videos, and we have professionals here, engineers in audios, and that's we have kept moving. But all in all, we are saying it's by the grace of God we've come this far, and where we are is not where we want to be. We are aspiring to move even further. So our client, we welcome you to come so that we also support us financially, so to move even further. May God bless you. And as you also, those who love music, since there's a book that my father had, since singing is so good a thing. I love that quote. So welcome, we sing together and praise our Lord. Otherwise, thank you very much. Welcome to Amazing Grace.
Mimi namshukuru Bwana kwa pendo lake alokuwa nalo kwa ulimwengu wote. Chombo mikononi mwa mfinyanzi, hufinyangwa jinsi apendavyo, ikiridhisha machoni pake, hufanyiwa kazi yake. Chombo mikononi mwa mfinyanzi,